You won't believe what you're about to see. These aren't your typical farm machines. They're agricultural beasts that can harvest entire fields in minutes. If you thought tractors were boring, think again. The Modi KE 3000 Hydros pumpkin harvester is next-level farming. What once took days and a whole team, cutting, lifting, cleaning, and hauling, is now done in one smooth, seed-separating pass. Fast, efficient, and effortless. The multi-row low-volume articulated sprayer in action delivers maximum efficiency and precision. Designed to make vineyard or orchard spraying faster, smarter, and more sustainable, it revolutionizes the way we manage crops. What's most impressive is the fruit never touches the ground. The harvesting umbrella and sealed conveyor preserve fruit quality, especially in soft-skinned crops. That's a major win for post-harvest shelf life and market value. Tom fired up the AVR Puma 4.0. The parsnips awaited, and the machine made quick work of the field. Smooth and precise, it effortlessly harvested row after row. By sunset, Tom had covered acres with ease. Operating the G1015 roller wrapper from Goodwill almost feels like playing a video game, thanks to its joystick-based control. Even complex sequences feel smooth and intuitive. For newer operators, this level of accessibility is a game changer. The single-row design impresses me the most. It simplifies field alignment and minimizes soil disturbance. The harvesting mechanism lifts the carrots with precision, supported by an active cleaning system that reduces debris before storage. Smart farming just got smarter. This robot spots and removes weeds with mechanical precision. No chemicals, no damage, just clean, efficient control. The future of agriculture is here. The future of farming is airborne. This autonomous harvest drone scans, selects, and picks crops with surgical precision. Just tap, fly, and harvest from anywhere. When you're torching weeds at 41.5 million BTUs, you're not just controlling weeds, you're sending them straight to weed heaven. At 20 gallons per acre, this burner means business. This compact design is perfect for small-scale farmers. Easy to use, easy to maintain, and surprisingly productive. The FD20 is a fully autonomous, solar-powered agricultural robot designed for nonstop fieldwork. Capable of planting and weeding without requiring a single recharge, it operates continuously for up to 24 hours, maximizing efficiency with zero emissions. The beauty of the foldable tiller machine 38FSX lies in how little effort it takes to operate. I can fold it without help, move it between fields with ease, and get back to work quickly. This saves me labor and time, which are two of the most precious resources on a busy farm. Harvesting corn is more than just picking the ears. It's about making the most of everything, even the stalks. Cutting them into smaller pieces helps speed up decomposition, and by getting the job done efficiently, I'm saving time and money for the next cycle. Automatic bale loader Arcasin AutoStack combines hydraulic precision with intelligent automation to deliver consistent, high-speed bale stacking. Built for large-scale efficiency, it's the kind of engineering that turns manual labor into push-button simplicity. This spinach harvester is a game changer. What used to take a whole day by hand is now done in under an hour. Massive volume, minimal effort. Why work harder when your Penta dump box can work smarter? Max output, minimal manpower. The HSU 3000/4000 VI Ultra Air Blast Sprayer delivers orchard coverage at industrial scale with just one operator. In the heart of the U.S. rice and soybean belt, one grower has a simple solution to post-harvest residue: Butte discs. By fitting them onto an existing diamond frame, he manages field debris efficiently between seasons. Farming tech doesn't have to be massive. Efficiency often comes in compact, clever designs. The John Deere 6175R tractor paired with the Lemken Europel 8 plow is an example of flawless engineering. The power of the 175 horsepower tractor, combined with the precision of the plow, makes this a top-tier combination for any farm. This machine has completely changed how I farm cotton. What used to take days is now done in hours. It's a real game changer for cotton farming, making the job easier, quicker, and more efficient than ever. Harvesting small rolls of sod grass. This isn't your typical farm job. It's like rolling up nature's carpet and getting it ready for a new home. I'm sure that with this harvesting technology, the cauliflowers will retain their quality and freshness when they reach consumers. Watching the machine plant spring white garlic, I couldn't help but marvel at the ingenuity behind it. Who thought up such an intelligent piece of machinery? If it were a chef, it would be the Gordon Ramsay of lavender harvesting. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Leaves, beware. This machine comes in and trims them like it's cutting hair. The plants are left looking I've never seen plant watering look this relaxing. Gentle circular motion, soft streams of water. It's like a spa day for the plants. My uncle's out mowing with the New Holland T6180 and H7450, and it's bringing back fond memories. This job on the farm has always been one of my favorites. Watching the machines work so efficiently is always a treat. Think this machine is just for veggies? Think again. The Yanmar PH4 RT onion transplanter isn't just a tool. It's a work of agricultural engineering. Watching it transplant onions is like witnessing the future of farming unfold before your eyes. Yes, you see that, right? These brushes were invented to keep apples from bruising when they fall into the bins. It's like giving each apple its own personal bodyguard to ensure it stays perfect. If anyone has ever been curious about the journey of tobacco leaves from field to cigarette, this video explains it all. And here's a hint. It's way more complex than just picking leaves. I've found the Faster Holt FM 4900 Hydro to be a game changer on my farm. With its dual pump power, 800-meter hose range, and precision features like faster rain, it delivers reliable performance while keeping energy costs down. From vine to vintage, these grapes are about to start their journey to the bottle. Can you guess how many bottles of wine will come from this load? Not every farm needs a monster machine. Sometimes, size small wins, especially on bumpy, awkward fields. There's something oddly satisfying about watching this leek harvester in action. Everything is so smooth and methodical. It makes you appreciate how far farming tech has come, from hand tools to this high-efficiency, time-saving marvel. Once the hens do their job, the line takes over, gently guiding each egg from nest to carton, no human hands needed. This TMZ resource finger-style garlic planter works faster than I can finish this sentence. I may skip the chili at dinner, but I'm not skipping this harvesting video. The self-propelled fruit harvester boasts a 17.5-meter working width and individual fruit transport, ensuring minimal bruising and maximum efficiency. A 35-horsepower Kubota engine powers it, making it perfect for long, productive days in the field. This mango peeler does the job so effortlessly, I just wish I had one at home. That way I could enjoy mangoes without the hassle of peeling. Installing the field sprinkler 5035 SD feels like giving your field a fancy shower, only it's waterproof, obviously. Farm life has never looked this fun. Innovation doesn't always need a factory. This do-it-yourself rail proves farmers are some of the best engineers out there. Harvesting 8,000 to 9,000 chickens per hour with just one machine and a small crew. This is next-level automation in poultry farming. Wow, absolutely impressed by the creativity behind this machine. Turning something as simple as banana stalks into fine, nutritious feed in seconds. Isn't it amazing that the same Archimedes screw, designed over 2,000 years ago, is still being used to move water today? Looks simple, but this grass chopper shredding bulky green fodder into fine, digestible feed in seconds. Machines don't complain or get tired, unlike me if I had to build that ridge by hand. That was just the tip of the tech iceberg. Smash that like button if you were blown away, share this video, and subscribe to Mega Hub. You haven't seen anything yet.